working with function arguments. Let's talk about args and kwargs. Args and kwargs help us write functions when we don't know the number of parameters ahead of time. Instead of defining explicit parameters, we collect the arguments into one catch-all. Here, in print args, our three positional arguments are collected into a special parameter called args. We can then treat args like any tuple. In this function, we pass keyword arguments, so they are collected in the parameter kwargs. Kwargs can be used just like any dictionary. Remember, 1 star is for positional arguments and 2 stars are for keyword arguments. Lastly, just as function arguments can be collected into special parameters for a function using star and double star can also help input values from a list or dictionary into a function. We call this unpacking. In this code, star coordinates unpacks the x, y, and z values from our list into positional arguments for our function. And here, the value from a dictionary called student data can be input into the student info function, provided the dictionary keys and function parameters match up. This way, we don't have to explicitly get each list or dictionary value when calling the function.